Are you curious about the features and functionality of the 2025 Lexus NX 450H cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? This guide unravels their functions, symbols, and alerts, helping you understand and manage your vehicle's crucial information effortlessly. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. The gear shift enables smooth gear changes for optimal speed and power. Air vents facilitate airflow, improving ventilation and maintaining indoor air quality. Wireless charging transfers power wirelessly using electromagnetic fields.
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators.
SRS warning light, seat belt warning light, ABS warning light, brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, inappropriate pedal operation warning light, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, intuitive parking assist off indicator, low engine oil pressure warning light, RCTA off indicator, security indicator, low fuel level warning light, PKSB off indicator, PCS warning light, slip indicator, front passenger seat belt reminder light, brake hold operated indicator, high beam control system warning light, sport mode indicator, Sport S plus mode indicator, custom mode indicator, low outside temperature indicator, eco drive mode indicator, VSC off indicator, outside rear view mirror indicators, high engine coolant temperature warning light, tire pressure monitoring system, warning light, airbag on off indicator, turn signal indicator, electric power steering warning light, headlight indicator, tail light indicator, BSM outside rear view mirror indicators, headlight high beam indicator, cruise control indicator, smart access system with push button start indicator, hybrid battery charge mode indicator, HV drive mode indicator, electric vehicle drive mode indicator, LTA indicator, PDA indicator, LDA indicator, trail mode indicator, driving assist information indicator, high mode indicator, front fog light indicator, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.